Alright guys, we got you a beast today. Or hoss. Hoss. A big one. 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. This sucker can pull anything, anywhere, anytime. That's why it's a 6.0 beast. What is it, Timmy? Big one. He says it differently than I do. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, high flow cats. Then what we did is true duals, all the way back 2 1/4. And if you guys ask why not 2 1/2, he wants it as loud as possible, and he still wanted to maintain a little bit of back pressure. So we did 2 1/4 for him to maintain it and get it louder, because louder is cooler and cooler is louder. Anyways, into some massive, to finish it off, massive 6-inch roll tips there and there. And we're still not done with it. We're gonna put new manifolds on it too. But I wanted you guys to let you hear it before we put the new manifolds on it. And tell us what you think. Look at that bumper that's on it. Solid metal. Crazy. There's the tailpipe that was on it. And they already threw away the muffler and intermediate pipe that was on it because it was too long. So we'll let you guys hear it now. Tell us what you guys think.
It sounds good on auto. It's resonating on the crazy. I'm telling you guys, our neighbors love us. Any given minute, they love to hear the sound of exhaust. Let you guys hear out there. Alright, let's see a cold start. We got the manifolds fixed, we got everything fixed on it. Let's see, the customer's picking it up. Let's see how excited they get. Look how loud it is.
You're gonna hear him, but it's gonna keep looking out of work. Okay, no, he's gonna be coming up.
Exactly. HD 2500 beast. Get on it. You can still hear it. That's awesome.
Can you still hear it? Yeah?
Yeah, you can still hear it, but that's awesome.